Now we are adjusting the traveling length of the clamping head. First, make sure these two clamps are closed. After that, press cut motor, and then press cut. Press cut. 把速度调到10。什么？速度调到10。调到10啊？Okay, right now, this is the sensor. Just now the sensor is on, and you adjust that sensor. Make sure the clamping, sorry, the saw blade is it's over the position of the saw blade is over this position. It's over this position. And then fix the position of the sensor. And press the blade back. And make sure this saw blade is out of this position, for 1.5 centimeters. Out of this one for 1.5 centimeters around, and then adjust the back limit sensor. Just now we adjust the front limit sensor, and this is the back limit sensor. This is for the rotation speed of the saw blade. High is for the how to say, thin pipes. Low is for the stainless steel and the thick pipes. So I think it's high for you. And then return. Go to the parameter set. The first one is the cutting length. And this is the cutting quantity. This one should be less than the real pipe length. For example, your pipe length is 6,000 millimeter. Right now it's 6,010 millimeter. It's wrong, so make it less, maybe 5.4, less than 6,000. That's all. 就是必须要小于6米嘛，对吧？
必须要短于你的材料。
我知道。
这个齐头，我从一步一步来讲啊。假如有多种尺寸可以组合的切。
我知道。This for some other sizes. For example, right now you have 5,500. You want to cut one, and 400. Cut two. Okay, cut two is too much. So make it cut one. Okay, and this is the thickness of the pipe, the thickness of the saw blade.
这是一个上料位置啊，上料位置可以在后面带料前进。 选一
This
下啊。
this is the feeding position means the
机器行程是2000，你可以带到2000。
2001啊，2100啊。
无所谓，就是说大概一下，到后面就跑上料了嘛。
OK
因为后面上料不要人往前拖了，就在后面后方上料，就可以选择一个2100。
We put it 2000 and 2100 means this one will go back to the bag. And at that position, you will load the pipes at 2000.
送料有效行程，这是7头长度，这个有没有要不要说？
这个不要动对吧？
这不要动的，
This one you don't need to change it. This is the stroke.
这个是7头长度。7头长度我们给它一个值，就相当于它计算总管子去的总长度。一般我们给它5毫米吧，好的。
Okay, tail length means the first cut to make it make the pipes straight. So we also check maybe tail put 5 or 10 or whatever, 5或者10毫米都可以。
5毫米、10毫米，就是它这个是不影响任何尺寸的，就是说它会计算出来它的管子有了余量。
This one will put into the calculation of the total length. Okay, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter how much you put it.
这个是拉料缸行程，
This one is the tail end stroke.
哦，拉一下看。
那不，这个就不动吧？
不要动，但是要确保，假如说不对的状态下要去调的。我们这个假如设好了不对的状态下，就是材料长了，那你就把它加；材料要短了，你就把它减，就底下就不要动了。
材料就最后一刀嘛。
啊，最后一刀就是材料要长多少就把它加多少，短多少就减多少。
Okay, for this one for the last cut, if the last cut length is longer, if it's how much longer, 长多少就减多少是吧？
长多少就加。
For example, 加多少 For example, you want 500. Right now, it's after cutting, you have a 505 millimeter. You put it 135. So that's all. If it's less, for example, you want a 500, but you get 495. So you put 125. Okay. This is the feeding speed for this one.
计数，产量计数。
And this is the counter. 是预设的吗？
对，你自己设的。
And this one we set it 500 means it will cut 500, it will stop. We also set the biggest, the mast.
下一页，
Next.
这里就是说是保存数据的。
这边我有了，这边我有，
有的是吧
这边有。
这里就是说一个，因为我在后面带料嘛，到前面来有个10%的速度。这个是行程，就是打比方等一下我会这样跟你讲一下吧。
就慢速行程嘛。
慢速行程，但是就是意思说你带料。
这个不要动的，这个都不要动的。
我把它设好，一般设个120吧。
All these parameters you don't need to change.
这所有时间不要动。
The time you don't need to change. 好了吧？这个我有。
这也有是吧？